Top of the morning, this is Chad Pickle from Modern Muscle Extreme. We recently received a rather exciting customer video from Tony, who installed an SRV controller from Automotive. Check it out. With just a few tweaks, Tony was able to take his 2014 Dodge Durango RT with a 392 engine that was making 383 horsepower with 413 foot-pounds of torque and upgrade it to producing 390 horsepower with 424 foot-pounds of torque. Those are amazing results. Thank you for sending in the video, Tony. We look forward to seeing more from you. If you would like to check out Tony's build, then please visit his YouTube channel, which is in the description down below. Thank you so much for joining in, and keep the videos coming. Have a great day.